Hi guys, today I've got this quick, easy, messy bun hairstyle using just 3 twists. To start, I've curled the hair, but you can do this on straight hair, and I'm just going to add some dry texture spray all over the hair. Next, I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face on both sides, and then I'm going to take a chunk on the left hand side from the top of the head to just above the ear. Then we're going to take the same size section on the opposite side and then bring these together at the back of the head and tie them together with a clear elastic band to make a small ponytail. Pop a couple of fingers behind that elastic band, pass your ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through to create a twist. Then using your fingers gently pinch and pull those twists for more volume and texture. Now incorporate the tail ends from that ponytail and grab a section of hair in the middle of the head. I'm going to divide this in half and just do a rope braid all the way down to the end of the hair. I'll show this in more detail on the next braid. Once you get to the bottom, just tie it off with an elastic band. Pin that rope braid out of the way for later and divide the remaining hair in half. And we're going to do another rope braid on the left hand side. So split this section in half. And with the right hand side I'm going to twist it to the left, and then I'm just going to cross the left strand over the right, and we're just going to carry on doing this until we reach the bottom of the hair and then just secure it with an elastic band. Then repeat on the right hand side by creating another rope braid and securing it with an elastic band. Now I'm going to take some texture powder and apply that to all of my rope braids, and then using my fingers I'm going to pinch and pull every loop and twist of that braid to make it more voluminous. Then just repeat on the other 2 braids, making sure that you add texture powder. Okay, so starting with the right hand braid, I'm going to bring it up and over to the left hand side and just roll those ends underneath so you can't see them, and secure it to the head with a bobby pin. Push the right hand side up so it lays horizontal and secure with another couple of pins. Then we're going to take the braid on the left hand side and then we're going to lift it up to meet the first one. So lay it from left to right and tuck your ends underneath and secure all the way along with as many pins as needed. And we're going to do the same on the last one, so lay it from left to right, tuck your ends underneath, push it up to that previous braid, secure with a few bobby pins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.